and welcome back to Safeguarding in 60, the safeguarding news of the week.
In a show unique
to Ineqe.
I can't believe we're heading into December next week. Do you know what that means, Alex?
I think it's time to start Christmas shopping, Susie.
Exactly. And with Black Friday this week, plenty of parents are checking out deals for their children's presents. If you're considering buying your child their very first device, make sure to check out our advice on how to make it safer before it's under the Christmas tree.
This week saw the International Day for the Elimination of Violence Against Women, a campaign that calls for a future free of violence against women and girls. You can learn more about sexual and gender-based violence in our recent blog or register for our upcoming webinar.
And in the news this week, cyber flashing is likely to become a criminal offence, and not just for perpetrators. Platforms that don't take action may also face criminal sanctions. This is expected to be included in the upcoming Online Safety Bill, a new set of regulations that will seek to ensure online platforms like Instagram, Snapchat, TikTok and others abide by a duty of care to their users.
That's all for this week. Sign up today to get updates and news as and when they happen.
We'll see you next time.